Hello, hello, hello. This is just a stream to check my microphone and other settings so that I can stream a lot. Hello, hello, and welcome. Today, finally, I upgraded my microphone, and I think now my voice is more clear. Let me just check if the stream is okay, and we're gonna start making our designs in AutoCAD Mechanical 2027. So, for today's video, in today's stream, we have a wonderful and a very simple but a complex design to make. Let's see what design we have. Let me just open the design to show you. And also let me check if my live stream is okay. Okay. So I've opened WhatsApp here. If my live stream is okay. Okay, so in today's live stream, we don't have a background noise and that irritating sound which comes of the fan and all. So I guess my voice is more clearer today because I have upgraded my microphone, and I think I have logged out of my WhatsApp by mistake. So I don't have a design to show you, but I have a reference image in front of me. Okay, so let's just start making this one. We have this one to design. It's like a Caesar, if you can see. It's like a Caesar, and I hope I can open it on this device through WhatsApp. I think I will be able to open the WhatsApp now. Okay, done. I've successfully opened the WhatsApp now. Let me just adjust my height so that you see me clear. You see this wonderful face clearly, and I have the WhatsApp opened here. Login. Now I have to scan the QR code to, and I hope you are unable to see the QR. Let's go. I think I'll start making my drawing. I think I shouldn't wait to turn on the WhatsApps. Okay. So we have a main circle of diameter Okay, so first circle we have with radius. It's lagging a bit. It is lagging. Okay, so this is the center, and the first circle with radius of 20. So let's enter a circle with radius 20. Okay, it got huge. Ah, so the first circle was with radius 20. Then we have a circle with radius 50. So see enter with the same center. So we just need the center of the same circle, and the radius of this is 25. So the diameter goes 50. Then we have to take an offset of a line, middle line, uh, with 50. So let's make a line L, enter. Let's match the quadrants of the circle, enter. And then I think we should make a horizontal line to L, enter, and match the quadrants of both the circle. And now we have to take offset. Now selecting the offset distance, here's the figure on your screen. I think I'll be able to share the image on your screen right now. Yeah. So here's the image which we are gonna make in today's stream. And not only this, we have two more to do and to work upon. So this is the image which we have to make. We have two circles here, and this is something which is wonderful. So we have made these two circles, and we are gonna take offset of 50, offset with the distance 50, 40, 50, and this is also a 50. So let's go. Let's take the offsets. First offset. Okay, offset distance is, let's take offset of 50. So here's it, offset of 50. Then we have an offset of 50 again horizontally. Wonderful, we have made this thing. And now we have an offset of distance 40. We have an offset of distance 40. So let's go offset again, then 40, then enter. We have an offset of distance 40 here. I guess it's correct, and I hope it's correct. We have to extend the line a bit. So let's turn on the ortho mode and extend the line clearly. We also have to extend these lines. We can also use the extend command, but now it's okay. Now it's fine to extend it manually. I don't think we need to extend this line for sure. We have to make two circles now with radius 10 and radius 15, and then we're gonna copy these circles to the same side, or we can also mirror them. So let's enter a circle, and radius is given to us. The intersection point of these two lines with circle of radius 15. Also enter with circle of radius 10. Enter. So we have with the circles, and now we're gonna copy them, these two objects, 1, 2, with respect to the center, and now we're gonna paste them here. Escape. Now we have to make again two circles which intersect this line. Okay, of radius 5 and radius 12. So C enter, radius is 5, C enter, radius is 12. So, okay, we have done with it. And now what we have to do is, now we have to use the fillet command. Fillet. The WhatsApp is crashing. Like, probably close the WhatsApp right now. Okay, so now fillet radius enter. We have to use the radius 20. So 20 enter, M enter, because we have to use fillet command for multiple times. And this is what we want. We are done with it. Okay. Radius 20 is done. Also, we have to combine these two circles with radius of 20. And now we have to extend these two circles with a line. So let's select the option of P line, which is polyline, and then I think I should match the quadrants of these two circles. Okay, let's turn off the ortho mode by pressing F8. Ortho mode is turned off. Now PL polyline, enter. Now we'll try to match the quadrants, but matching the quadrant isn't doing the thing. Matching the quadrant isn't doing the thing which we want. So we'll just try to keep an edge here, like make a tangent to it. Let's make tangent to the circle. Okay. Now we can just mirror this tangent with respect to, but I'll probably construct a polyline there. I'll copy them. PL enter, matching this with the inner circle, right? Okay, matching this with the inner circle, I think we get a circle tangent here. Polyline, matching the quadrants to tangent, then PL again enter, matching the quadrant of the circle with a tangent. Done. So we're done with the figure right now, and we just have to trim the objects right now, which is my favorite task to do. Let's just to trim and trim and trim everything. We see everything we don't want, the unwanted things. I hate the unwanted things, so let's just trim them very quickly. This is something which we have to trim, 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 trim. What we have unwanted is this one. Okay, there's nothing like this. There's nothing like this. There's nothing like this. I don't want this line. Also, let's trim them all. This is something which is left. Now what we have to trim is this one. Let's trim all of them. Okay. And we are done. Wonderful. We are done wonderfully. We have done our tasks. I think this is also isn't there. Let's just trim everything. I think we just have to annotate them right now. Okay, so we're done with the object. Okay, finally we have done with the object, and I think how much time we have done it. I'm done with the object within. Okay, so we've done with the object. Within 15 minutes, it's within 15 minutes, so we have achieved a score of making a diagram within 15 minutes. It's under 15 minutes, yes. The timing is under 15 minutes, and I think now we should move. Annote it everything. Where is the diagram? What do we have to annotate? So, first of all, we have to annotate the, you know, the offsets which we have taken, the radius of everything, and some diameter. So let's go. I'm gonna just annotate the radius first. Annotations first. Dim style. We'll go to dim style. Dim style. We're gonna modify the fonts of it. The text height, I think it should be 4. The symbols and the arrow size should be 1. Primary units should have no decimals and it shouldn't round off to anything. And now what we have is done. Now we have to annotate the radius of every circle and every arc which we have constructed and every fillet command. Done. Radius of 1 is done. Where it goes. Okay. 20 done. 25 done. 20 done. 20 done. R10, R15, R5, R12. Inner radius was done. This was also done, I guess. R25. Okay, this was done. So we have done annotating the arcs and circles. Now we have to just annotate. Let's turn on the ortho mode. Oh shit, I'm so sorry. Now we have to annotate the distance between those two lines which I have taken. Done. I think we are done with it. Right now, let's just save this one. So we have completed finally another drawing, which wasn't a tricky drawing. It was an easy drawing. It was very easy. It was very easy to make. And I think my video isn't cutting anywhere and the stream is going very well. Okay. I think I should show the object and image both together so that no one says that I made a wrong image. The next image which I have is this. It is also a very easy image, which is this one. Let's go. So let's make it here only. We're gonna make the same image here. We have a first circle of diameter 15. C, enter. Specify the 15 is it's the diameter. D, enter. 15, enter. So this is the command for constructing a circle with diameter 15. And then we have a circle of diameter 40. So circle, enter, with the similar midpoint 40. Okay, the diameter is 40. Done. Now we have to construct a line. So what I'm gonna do now is construct a circle, a very bigger circle, so that we don't have a kind of confusion. Now what I'm gonna do is construct a line with the quadrant of this to the quadrant of this, and then I'm gonna delete this. What we have to do now is take an offset of 45 of this line. Offset with enter. The distance is 45. Enter. Now we have to construct an offset here. Now we have another offset of 60. So again, escape, offset, enter, 60. 60, enter. Now we have to take an offset of here, 60. Done. And now we have to construct an horizontal line. For that, I'm gonna again construct a circle. Circle with the midpoint this. A very big circle, a very big circle. Now match the quadrants by making a line to this quadrant. Matching the quadrants, we get this. Enter. Escape. Now delete the circle. And now what we have to do is take an offset of this. Offset of 70. So offset 70, enter. And we have also an offset of 40 here. Offset of 40 of the line which we have constructed right now. Done. And the next point which we get is this. Is this. Here's where we have to construct a circle. See, enter. This is the point where we have to construct two circles. First with diameter 15, and then a circle again with diameter with the radius 15. R, enter. Diameter, radius 15. Oh my god. See, enter. We have successfully constructed a circle with radius 15, and now what we have is to construct a circle with radius 10 here. Radius 10, a circle with radius 10. I don't think we need to. I don't really think we need to construct a circle here. I think I need to take an offset here. Use 10, right? And these two circles which we have now, what I have to do is connect these two circles with a radius of 50. So fillet command R, enter. The radius is 50. Okay, radius is 50. This is the object and this is the object. But it wasn't here. Let's use the fillet command again, which is, and we have to connect this circle with this one, but quite differently. Let's construct a circle now. Then what we have is tan, and radius. So first tangent should be here. There's no doubt. First tangent should be here. Then the second tangent should be here somewhere. And the radius is 50. Okay, so we are done with constructing a radius 50. And now we have is this. Okay, we have done this nicely. Now we have to construct a circle of radius 10. Circle of radius 10 here. No, the radius is 10. I have to connect this with radius 30, and we have to join the quadrant of this circle. So again we're gonna make a circle with tan, and radius. The first tangent should be here and the second tangent should be here, and the radius should be 30. Let me enter. Now what we have to do is construct it in a different way. No, this is not what I wanted. I wanted something different. Circle radius. So let's try to use fillet. Let's try to use fillet radius. What we have to enter is 30. Let's try. What if no, no, it isn't coming. We have to make a circle with tangent, and radius. So here should be the first tangent of circle, and here should be the second tangent of circle, and the radius should be 30. Let's try again. Circle, tangent, and radius. Here's the first tangent, and here should be the second tangent, and we have to radius 50. Circle does not exist. Wow, that's great. The radius here, what we have is 10. And the radius here, what we want is 30. And we want to connect this circle here with this circle here, right? So we were giving a wrong point of tangent C, I guess. So it should be the first point of tangent C, and then the second point of tangent should be somewhere here. The circle should have the radius of 20. But still, the circle can't exist. But what now I'm gonna do is copy the circle here with its midpoint, and I am gonna shift this circle by turning off an ortho mode to. I would have just created an arc for that. I can just create an arc for that. Let's try making an arc. Let's delete the circle and make, what is the radius of its circle? It's 20, right? Let's delete the circle and again make a circle with a radius 20. Done. Now what we can do is create an arc. Create an arc. What do we have? Start and then radius. We have the starting point as this is a starting point, and this is our ending point. I guess this should be the ending point, right? The problems which you are getting is something different. So let's construct a line downwards here, enter, and let's construct a line upwards here, enter. Now what we can do is use the fillet command and use the radius 30 and just connect these two lines. And finally, I think we have completed this. Now what we have is this, and we want radius 10 here also. So what I'm gonna do is construct a line from the quadrant here to here. Excuse me. Let's go. And now use fillet, radius enter. The radius we want is 10, and then we'll select the objects. And I think we are done. Now, my favorite task, which is trim. Let's trim everything we see. Let's trim every unwanted thing we want. Finally, we are up with the diagram. Still, we haven't completed it yet. Now I think we have to construct a fillet again. Uh, Radius is 10. What we have to connect is this with this. Done. Now trimming. This thing is unwanted. This is unwanted. This is unwanted. This is also unwanted thing. These two things are unwanted. This is unwanted. And I think the outer circle, the complete outer circle is unwanted here inside. Done. Finally, we are done with an object, and now we have to annotate. Let's go. Let's first specify the horizontal distance. Enter. Now, the horizontal distance which we have to specify is this. And now we have to annotate circles of an arcs with radius 10. This should be radius 10. This should be radius 30. This should be radius 20. This is of radius 8. How come that happened? Oh my god. How come that happened? It's of diameter 15. I think it's being. It isn't of 8. It isn't of 8. It isn't of 8. It has diameter 15, I guess, huh? It has diameter 15. So I think it was rounding off the thing which had tried. Now we have diameter 15 here again. Enter. Now we have to annotate the vertical distance, which is this thing, and center of this, this one. 34. This shouldn't happen actually. This should not happen actually. This should not happen, but okay. We have tried making the object clearly. Let's not annotate this. Actually, this is something which we have done wrong, I guess. Let's go. We have two distances, and again we have to mark a radius, which is this, which is 50 again. And now the distance which we have to mark is nothing else but the two things, which is the distance between two things, the two circles. Annotate the distance between these two circles, and it should be 60. It has to be mandatorily 60. Done. So we're done with an object, and I think for today's stream, I'll end my stream today here. And I think my microphone is fixed for today's stream, so I'll try to improve the stream day by day and better every day. Thank you for watching my stream. Bye bye.